Dreams are a shadow of love, fame, and fortune that adorn the night. Some fade away quickly and lose their meaning in the morning light. Yet some dreams are lifeless, a light and entertainment, meaning nothing more. There are dreams holding promise and pure inspiration worth waiting for. Save me a dream as perfect as the night is long. Save me a dream as secure as your arms, a shelter where we both belong. And our love can bring the stars even closer than they seem. Save me a place in your heart and save me a dream. Some call you crazy, convinced that you're lazy if you dream by day. When we're dreaming, we're listening. If somebody's whispering, who knows what they'll say. Some find a purpose, a sense of direction in a wandering mind. If ideas are prizes, like children of angels, who knows what we'll find. Save me a dream